To utilize all the features in Decal Mate Pro, you need to create or define a template. The Template tab is divided into 3 sections: Template Preparation, Template Creation, and Layouts. Let's start at the top. Create an empty template generates a new document with 3 base layers. While useful for creating a template from scratch, it's not mandatory to create these layers now, as they will automatically be generated in the next step if not already present. To unlock the template creation section, you need to pass the status checkup. This ensures that no non-template items are present. The report indicates that a few areas need attention, which can be addressed automatically. It will set up the foundational layers. Remove non-path items, probably the text down here. Ensure all paths have a stroke color. Release groups and compound paths. And lastly, remove any duplicate elements, if present. Done. Let's define our template. This is not part of the template, so I'm going to remove it. The button Find Decals Automatically auto-detects subcuts such as holes and air vents. Decals containing subcuts are temporarily assigned a color. You can also do this manually. Once the template passes the checkup, all decals are marked as decals without subcuts. To manually define a decal with a subcut, select the decal and its cuts, then click Decal with Cuts. Once finished, I'll click here to finalize the template. Since I forgot to define a subcut, I'm getting a warning that a single line cannot be defined as a decal because it has no area. This line is of course supposed to be a subcut for this decal. So let's fix that by selecting both items and clicking Decal with Cuts. I'm now ready to finalize this template. I'm setting the padding size to 3 millimeters. The template is now finished and ready to be used with all Decal Mate Pro features. It's important to save now, as this will be your main template file. I'll add something like Final to the file name to remind me not to overwrite it. One feature of your template is the ability to create a layout, which determines how your decals will appear on the print sheet. Once a layout is created, you can start auto-nesting or manually moving pieces around. For this example, I'm using a 120 centimeter wide sheet. It's common to first auto-nest and then fine-tune some pieces afterward. For smaller MX templates, a well-crafted manual nest may be the optimal solution. Remember, this only needs to be done once and can then be applied instantly to all future designs. Whereas for larger templates like snowmobiles, jet skis, or UTVs, the auto-nesting capabilities are hard to match. If the nesting process is too slow, you can increase the Simplify Curves value in the Settings tab. This adjustment balances speed and accuracy. Now, let's start nesting. Artboards are included in the layout file, so I'll create one for each decal nest. This step is optional, but if you want the artboards to automatically adjust to fit your decals, you can. Once you're satisfied with the results, you can save this as a layout file. This layout can now be used for all future designs based on this template. That wraps up everything you need to know about the Template tab. Thanks for watching.